how to create all kinds of extreme distortion effects in Affinity Photo by using equations and also just using layers and combining them. Select an unlocked layer. Go over here, I'm selecting the background, I've unlocked it. Go to Filters and Distort and Equations. I'm going to use an equation that I created in the previous video, so please check that one out. Go with Polar and I'm going to paste it in. I'm going to modify the A, the B and the C parameters because at the moment you can't see it. I'm also going to go with 0 for the extend mode. You could put it to mirror, but that's not the effect I want. What I want is 0. Just want that central effect. So modify that and reduce the A or increase the A to the point where you get the image right in the center in the way that you want it. I'm going to go with, I think that looks reasonable. You can continue to modify it until you're, yes. Click apply. Hold down the Alt Option key and drag to duplicate it. Then you can create another copy, another one, and so on. Fill the entire image with this distortion. Now you could use patterns as well, it's another option. And of course you can always resize them. You don't need to keep it the same size, just resize and then, or maybe rotate, etc. Again, hold down the Alt Option key and duplicate it a little bit more. With all these designs, go down to the bottom and select them all. They're all selected. Go to Layer and Merge Selected. They will all become one pixel layer. Select the layer and go to Filters and Distort and Equations. I'm going to use exactly the same equation. Polar, keep T the same, paste in the equation. It's probably easier to do that, or you can just type it out again. Change the parameters. Now I'm using 0 at the moment, but you can use mirror as well. And you can distort it like that. Just move that out of the way. And you can see the distortion of all those distortions. And you can change that around, move it like that, reposition it. If you get something you really, really like, however, you might like to do a division there. You put divided by 3 or multiplied by 3, depending what you want. And click apply. You can now duplicate that as well. Hold down the Alt Option key and duplicate by dragging. And do that multiple times. You can also resize the layer, rotate it, shear it, transform it in other ways as well. I'm just going to resize that one, just make it slightly smaller. Continue to drag. And now with all those, go to the Layers panel, select them all, go to Layer and Merge Selected. Then go to Filters and you can repeat equations or do exactly the same as before, Distort, Equations, Polar, copy that equation in and you can then repeat it. Again, changing parameter A, B and C to create all kinds of unique distortions with your image. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. Thank you much.